So what are you gonna be doing, babe?
We're making lentils. Dilly and everything. And that's good.
So to get this in, first I spray it with a little PD blaster to lube up the tube.
Oh, too much dead.
This is why you don't touch capacitors. One. He just seized the broom.
Okay, first step. Soaked lentils. Done.
Got a lot more to do.
Yep, that's just the first part, and that is something that I don't really want in there. Alright. About 1.5 to 2 hours before we put in the rest of the stuff. On high.
Ooh, look at that steam. Where's the water, babe?
It's right here. You can see it. But you do it like this because we're going to be adding ingredients, and this has a lot of water in it. So you don't want to make it like soup. You want it more like a chili. They've been cooking for about 2 hours, and now we're going to stick all the ingredients in it and let it cook for another about 4 hours, I think. 4.5 hours. It's like baby food. Garlic. It's good for you.
I love garlic.
It's my dirty garbage can. Three teaspoons with a half a teaspoon.
The cumin gives it that
Because this one
flavor.
doesn't fit in there. That's the reason why I do that. It's not because of any other reason.
The cumin gives you the flavor.
I'll give you taco flavors. And then chili powder, of course. It's a nice sound. Slop. I know it looks thick right now and it's not even done, but this adds a lot of water. So you want it like this, so you don't have soup, you have more of a chili. Okay. Okay, next, cut the cabbage. I should take off the outer layer, because that's all whatever. It's not fresh. Okay. I'm only going to use half of this, so I'm trying to figure out how the best way to cut it. Let's see that I can, not too bad. That's about, I'll see, I might cut a little bit more. Gotta get this out. Okay, now I'm just gonna just chop it up. Big because they're gonna really soften up. No need to be perfect. It's not going to look perfect in your soup. Let's see. I think that looks about good. Or do I need to cut up a little? Let me just cut up a little bit more. Right here. Yeah, I think that's good. Now I gotta rinse them. It's cooled down a lot, so it's gonna take a minute to get back up there.
That's a lot of cabbage.
Oh, it melts down. Well, I mean, have you ever had cabbage that was cooked? It gets really, really, it's like lettuce, it's watery. I'm going to attempt to stir this. And no, it's not going to look like this. You guys will be amazed in about 4 hours what this looks like. Because right now it looks like something I would actually eat in a bowl.
It kind of looks like chili and grain wrapped in lettuce.
Yeah, it really does. But all this is going to get so liquefied in about 4 hours that you'll see. Don't add more water.
Look at that, you got all that stirred up.
Yeah. And this goes on. And we will look at it in about 4 hours.
How many drinks is that, babe?
1. So it's been, what, 4.5 hours?
Mm-hmm.
Probably about 4.5 hours. But it did need to heat up a little bit too, because I did have the lid off.
What was the total time?
About 6.5.
Mm-hmm. Oh, look at that.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, there's a little bit more liquid in it than it did before.
Cabbage. See, now it's like it's like a chili. It's not a soup. It's a chili. Oh yeah. Look at all that cabbage. Yum yum. Mm-hmm. Maybe a little bit more cabbage on there. And I'm going to turn this down to warm.
Y'all stay tuned.
It's too early to be cooking. Damn slow cookers. Piece of paper came off the thing. Yeah. Can't have that in there. What's that?
It's drying right now.
What is with these Samsung things? They're loud.
They are loud.
You know, I did read that. I mean, they're good appliances. They do what they need to do. But as far as loudness, yeah. They're loud. Our fridge hums. Our dishwasher hums. Our oven goes on and off on its fan. And you can't turn it off. Nope.